Yo, Ace in this bitch, VVS Vault. Shit, today we're gonna be learning how to make a 2D image into a 3D model and shit. We're gonna be using this reference right here. You guys can use whatever y'all want though. Shit, let's get to it. First things first, open up Photoshop. Alright, once you're in Photoshop, open new file, and then open a new custom file with the width and height being 2048 by 2048, and then create it. And then once you're here, drag in your image, press done, scale it up, done again, remove the background, and then remove your actual background, and you should just be left with the stitch figure or whatever you want to call it. Alright, center this bitch real quick right there. Once you're here, add some textures to it. So what I do usually is I'll add like this. Yeah, I'll add this one, and then put the image on top so you can see it like that. Press file, export, quick export as PNG, and just rename it texture. Okay, once you're here, you want to double click on your image and then turn on color overlay, and it should make it black like that. Once it's black like this, you want to remove your your texture. Remove the texture, just leave it like that. Should just be this. Once you're here, press file, export as a PNG. And just you could either rename it or put something. I put SVG. I usually do SVG. Alright, now open up Inkscape or whatever you use to make a PNG into an SVG. I use Inkscape. So I'll open this up, new document. Okay, once I'm in here, I go file, open, downloads, SVG. And then I click on it, and then we're gonna click on path, and we're gonna click trace bitmap, and then we're gonna apply it. And then from here you go back to file, you export it, you export as a plain SVG. Sometimes this will fuck around and like choose this instead of this, so make sure it says plain SVG and then export it. Once it's exported, go ahead and open up Blender. Once you're in Blender, delete all of the things it starts off with. Import your SVG. Okay, once you get your SVG up in here like this, you feel me, click on it. You're gonna go to your materials tab, you're gonna remove the material, and then you're gonna go into your data tab, and then click on geometry. You're gonna extrude it one time. See how it already made it like that? Extrude it one time, and then on the depth right here, you're gonna put 0.002. Just kind of play with it. You see how I made it round? Just kind of play with it, see where it is you want it to be. 0.008. See, like that looks way better to me. I'm gonna leave it like that. Right click the object and convert it to a mesh, and you should have your mesh right here. There's your mesh right here, your mesh. Once we're here, you're gonna go into like the bottom face mode using Alt and scroll, like press down on your scroll wheel and just move it down like that so you can see the bottom face. And once you see the bottom face right here, you're gonna hit 3 on your keyboard to go into face select mode, and you're gonna click up here, or you're gonna do Alt Z to go into X-ray mode. And once you're here, you're just gonna try to select this very top layer right there. So just go select the very top like that. Exit out of X-ray mode. Look at it, make sure it looks good. See how it just selected the top. Once this top is selected, press P on your keyboard and separate it by selection. Go back into object mode. Click the top piece which is the where the picture will go, and then press tab on keyboard, A to select it all, and then you're gonna do U on your keyboard and Q project. Once you're done, you should have it here like this. Scale it down, move it up, do whatever you want with it. I'm just gonna leave it right there. Then I'm gonna click on my first one since I separated it. Click on the face, and then go back to materials, add a new material, click the base color, add a image texture, open it, go to your image texture, which is this one, and then you're gonna go into UV editing. You're gonna click on this and you're gonna line it up with the stitch. So scale it down, line it up, and you see how, like, if I line it up on one side, the other side don't fit. You can do S and X to kind of like make it fit, and S and Y to make the bottom fit, and then just kind of like move it around, scale it down, see where you'd like it. See, like right there, I think that's good. Go back, and then I'm gonna press on this middle one, which is the materials preview, and then you can see, we can still kind of see it. So you can either play with it or leave it for real, but I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I'm gonna just do that, SX, put it a little smaller, like that. See, it's still showing up here, so I wanna do S and Y. Sorry, not S and Y, move it a little over, with just X. See if it's still showing this way, so like that should be good. Fuck, I can't get it, bro. Maybe like this. Like I said, you just really gotta play with this shit, bro. Whatever. I'm gonna leave it like this. Another thing too, like you can make your diamonds show on the stitch by simply, once you're back here like this, when you make your texture, click on the stitch, go to normal, and just kind of look for one that'll match the back of the diamond. So you can do something like this for, see how it shows diamonds through him, and then shit, just, this is the same thing, just the texture, just showing y'all something different. I'm gonna just save it as it is, and then I'm gonna just add that texture so you guys can see how it looks. I do this with a lot of my models when I'm doing them like this. Just looks better, in my opinion, shit. And if you don't like the way like the diamonds look too big, you can mess with them here, bro. Like, the fuck? You can mess with them here, make them hella small, and you see how, like, if you put him on his body, it looks better. Yeah, but you would just have to like duplicate the fucking texture, make it all look nice and shit. Like that, grab all three, right click, merge. You can make them bigger, just a little bit. Like that. And click on it, right click, duplicate that one. Run it up, looks good. Click both of them, oh shit. Click both of these, merge them, and then duplicate that one. Like that. See how the diamonds look a little better? And I'll show you. This is how I usually do it. I'll keep it a bit. I'm just being lazy, but I ended up showing y'all anyway. Just a better way to do it. Add the texture. Boom. He has diamonds on him. Pretty simple. Click on him. See how he's pretty high poly. Just fucking decimate the fuck out of him. 0.5. Just keep going, bro. He got him down to 1K. Chase move. Do the same for this one. Can even add the texture on this one. Tab, select it all. You want a keyboard, Q project. Select the whole thing and just go this motherfucker. I go hella big so you can't see the stitch and shit. See? Like that. And that's about it. That's how you make a 2D image into a 3D image. A 3D model somewhat. And yeah, that's about it.